Hello everyone, and welcome back to Python Learning. Today, I'll show you how to use Python to draw the beautiful flag of Palestine. This is a perfect exercise to practice Python's graphics library while also learning how programming can be creative. Let's get started. We'll be using the turtle library in Python, which is great for drawing shapes and graphics. Here's the step-by-step code. From turtle import. Def draw_flag. Draws the flag of Palestine. Hash set up the screen. Screen equals screen. Screen.title Palestinian flag. Screen.setup width equals 600, height equals 400. Screen.set world coordinates 0, 0, 600, 400. Hash draw the black stripe. Pinup go to 0, 400 pen down color black begin underscore fill go to 600, 400 go to 600, 266.67 go to 0, 266.67 go to 0. 400 and underscore fill. Hash draw the white stripe. Pinup go to 0, 266.67 pen down color white begin underscore fill go to 600, 266.67 go to 600, 133.33 go to 0, 133.33 go to 0, 266.67 and underscore fill. Hash draw the green stripe. Pinup go to 0. 133.33 pen down color green begin underscore fill go to 600, 133.33 go to 600, 0 go to 0, 0 go to 0, 133.33 and underscore fill. Hash draw the red triangle. Pinup go to 0, 0 pen down color red begin underscore fill go to 200, 200 go to 0, 400 go to 0, 0 and underscore fill. Hit turtle screen.exit on click. Draw underscore flag. Key components. Setup: the code sets up a turtle screen with a white background and creates a turtle object. Rectangle drawing function: a function draw underscore rectangle is defined to draw rectangles with specific colors, positions, and dimensions. Flag drawing: the function is used to draw three horizontal stripes, black, white, and green, and a red triangle. Breakdown: the draw underscore rectangle function takes in color, x and y coordinates, width, and height as parameters. It uses a loop to draw a rectangle by moving the turtle forward and turning right by 90 degrees twice. The flag stripes are drawn using this function, and the red triangle is drawn manually using the turtle's goto method. This code first sets up the screen, defines a function to drain rectangles for the flag stripes, and finally uses turtle graphics to create the black, white, and green horizontal bands. Then, we add the red triangle on the left, which symbolizes freedom, sacrifice, and resilience. And there you go. You've drawn the Palestinian flag with just a few lines of Python code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel Python Learning, and share this with your friends. It really helps us grow and bring you more tutorials. But before we end, I want to take a moment to talk about why this flag matters. The Palestinian people in Gaza are currently facing unimaginable atrocities, daily bombings, displacement, starvation, and the destruction of homes, schools, and hospitals. Innocent children are losing their lives, families are torn apart, and the world is witnessing a humanitarian catastrophe. This flag is not just colors, it is a symbol of resistance, dignity, and the fight for freedom. So, when you code this flag, remember, programming is powerful, but raising your voice for justice is even more powerful. Let's stand with Palestine. Let's stand with humanity. Free Palestine.